everyone, I'm Steven with Fahrney Ford. I'm here to show you how to connect and use Apple CarPlay on your new Ford Bronco. Come with me. First, what you want to do is go to your phone emblem, add a phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Discover Bluetooth devices.
Select one of the devices found by sync.
Go ahead and select your phone.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on the device.
Make sure you click yes to pair it.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
You want to make sure on your phone you're enabling CarPlay, which that'll prompt on your phone. Enable here, and you're all set. That's all there is to it. Apple CarPlay is a great way to connect your iPhone to your new Ford, so you can access maps, send messages, make calls, and more. Any other questions, you can reach us at fahrneyford.com. See you next time.